Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are safe and doing good. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update, as I review on softwares that are very important when it comes to doing business or earning money online. Today I am here to share a review on industry's premier e-commerce spy tool. The tool about which I'll be talking today is Spresio. So without wasting any time, let's go to my computer screen so that I can brief you about this tool. Spresio is the tool that finds the best selling product selling on Shopify stores and then finds their AliExpress suppliers. This tool also identifies these products on major online marketplaces such as Amazon and Facebook. But that's not all. Spresio also imports these products from AliExpress, including stunning images, product description and user reviews.
Spresio requires very little setup. It's very easy to use. It requires 30 minutes of work a day or less.
With Spresio, no niche is off limit. From knitting to boxing, fishing to jewelry, all niches are possible with Spresio. You just need to find the real gem out there. Now let me tell you something interesting. Imagine if you could find at a push of a button the source of every best-selling product on your competitor's store. Successful store owners keep these information hidden and for good reason. In the world of dropshipping, the suppliers are also the main competitive advantage. But now things are about to change. You are about to be able to copy every successful dropship store's competitive advantage. Not only that, at a push of a button, you will be able to have these same products, stunning images, product reviews and descriptions on your own store. Isn't that interesting? You may ask a question if Spresio is right for you. My answer will be absolutely. I'll explain you how. There has been better time for dropshippers. More than 80% of the population has used internet for purchasing of goods and services, and more are joining day by day. Last year, more than 50% of the population has shopped online, and that's increasing. With COVID-19, retailers are seeing huge rise in volume of orders they are receiving. As no one can go shopping, so retailers are cashing in. 71% of the shoppers believe that they get a good deal online rather than going to store. Spresio removes the pain of finding the right product that will really sell. Any online retailer will tell you this is the most difficult part of e-commerce success. So take advantage of this unusual time as no one can go shopping outside, and get your e-commerce career started in the right way with the right product. Imagine for a minute becoming a Spresio customer. Type in any keyword in any niche and find the best selling products in any Shopify store. Where these products are sourced, how many are sold, and their precise trajectory. You will be able to see the precise keywords used, thereby generating targeted SEO traffic from highly trending search items. In addition to this, you will be able to see how many of these products are sold and what profit margin you can acquire by selling them on either Spotify, Amazon or Facebook. Push a button and have these products imported in your store for long-term profits. Now it's time to share a quick demonstration of this tool with you. So without any delay, let's move to my computer screen. As you can see on my computer screen, we are ready to use Spresio tool. So let me be quick and search a keyword. I am searching bag as a keyword. I'll customize it by choosing some filters, like I want orders more than 50 at least. I'll choose a price range, like I'm choosing more than $50. I'll choose products that were found within 14 days at least. I'll sort it according to retail price and set it from low to high and click on the search button. So in this criteria, there are no products found. You can change the filters, like now I am changing it to more than 50 items. I am changing price to more than 30 and I am customizing it to found anytime, and I'll keep all the other things same and click on the search button. So now you can see n number of products. Let me take the first product. This product is selling on 2 stores. There are 1137 orders of this product.
The product cost is $27. The selling price is $38. Profit margin is 13%. And sales is $44,181. So you can choose a product according to this information. Like if I click on the inspector button, it will show the order trend. It will show the order trend of each day. With the graph, you can see if the product is appropriate for you. And if you click on the store trend, a like graph is in front of you, so you can judge the product if it is good for you. You can click on the AliExpress for more details about the product. You can even see the product's detail on this and see if the product is appropriate. Let me go back to my Sprecio tool. As you can see, there are two options on the top. One is bookmark and the other you can export product to your Shopify store. Like if I bookmark this product, I can refer to it later. And if I click on the export button, there is the option on the top like Shopify export products. You can click on that. Now you can see this product is in my list, and as soon as you click on the button showing export to Shopify, this product will be exported to your own store.
With this, you can understand how easy and beneficial this tool can be for you. So don't delay and book one for yourself. Don't forget to avail my custom bonuses that I provide to my customers. The link is in the description. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the
comment box.
I have even shared my Instagram and Facebook links in the description. You can even follow me from there. Wait for my next video. Until then, take care.